This tutorial is an overview of a special kind of blog called a microblog. A microblog gives you the power of blogging, but it's designed for shorter messages, individual images, video links, and things of that nature. Twitter is an example of a microblog. The largest of all of these microblogs is the one we're looking at, TUMBLR. The first microblogs were called Tumblr-logs, and this is where the name for this particular one came from. Before we go through and register a new account, let's take a look at some of the features of this site. If you go to the bottom and you see 30 reasons you'd love it, click that link, and you can start scrolling through to see some of the features. For example, there are literally hundreds of different themes you can choose. Most of these are free, but you can also purchase some, or you can create your own original theme. For mobility, you can post from email or a mobile phone. You can post almost anything. As you can see here, you can select text, photos, quotes, links, dialogues, audio, video, and even slideshows. And you have a choice of public or private posts. There are now third-party application programs you can add, and you can even add Google Analytics. Another new option is you can post via AIM, and you can publish to Facebook. As you go through here, one of the things you'll notice is that the links at the bottom are not all identical. So let's take a look at one called the About link. Here you have some statistics. For example, 6 billion total posts, 21 million total blogs, and today alone, over 35 million posts were made. Let's go backward one step, down to the bottom, and look at what's new. This is basically a staff blog where you have different information about some of the staff members, highlights of some of the users, information about new features, and we strongly recommend that you go through this. If you want to see samples of what typical blogs look like, click some of the staff pictures, which will take you to their particular blogs, and you can start going through to see pictures, different uses. You can look at different themes. This one, for example, has an RSS feed, email subscription, archive, and a search feature. This one's pretty simple looking, with photos and different types of text. So our suggestion is to spend some time before you actually register, so you'll have an idea of different features and the different capabilities.